How to fix Instagram comments. If you have any problem with the comments on Instagram app, this video is gonna help you a lot. So, all what you have to do guys is very simple. Open the settings on your phone, like this, and then go to the wireless and networks. Go to the airplane mode and enable it. Go back, click on the apps manager, go to the apps, and here go to Instagram. After that, on this page, you will have to do a most important thing. Go to the notifications, scroll until you find comments, click on the comments. Right here, you will find many options. So, all what you have to do now is very simple. Just go to the display in statue bar, disable it and enable it again. That's it. Go back to the app information, click on force stop to stop the app, and that's it. The problem must be solved. If it's not, then you have to update Instagram app and restart your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe.